Hey, all you cool cats and kittens, it's time for today's activity. Today, we're going to end up talking about the courts and private security. In the past few lessons, we have spent time talking about fire, EMS, um, many other different facets of the criminal justice system, of the public safety, corrections, and security area. So, like I said, today we're going to start with the courts. So, in true fashion, consistency is key. So, I'm starting with our core operational strategies. Basically, what the courts are responsible for. They're in charge of settling disputes, determining guilt, punish the guilty, deter criminal behavior, determine legal status, and protect citizens from government action. So, they handle prosecution of crimes. The courts facilitate the prosecution of crimes. The prosecutor handles felony cases. A solicitor will handle misdemeanor cases. The defense represents those accused, and the judge is like your court referee. So you're going to end up taking just a few seconds to pause the video and think about this, but just kind of make the statement to yourself. I might like to be a lawyer for some of my career. And based on how you feel, give yourself a 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. 1 means absolutely, positively, no way. I have no interest in being a lawyer. To a 5 means let's do this. I'm ready to do it. Heck yeah, I'm all on board. So go ahead and pause right now. Okay, welcome back. Next, we're going to talk about how does private security fit in? How does private security become part of this law and public safety, corrections, and security? How did it become part of that title? Your core operational strategies for private security are that essentially your strategies are determined by your client, who you work for. However, you must still follow federal and state law, but you are an integral part of Homeland Security. Security has traditionally conducted actions similar to police. However, today, private security has an expanding role, which includes internet and data protection for businesses. There is a large percent of the workforce still left as guards. They handle asset protection, which is the reduction of inventory loss. It's also referred to as shrinkage. Go to like Kohl's or Walmart. They have a loss prevention team. That's the same thing as asset protection. They are private investigators and detectives, often used in lawsuits or divorce. Proprietary security is in-house services run and maintained by the company benefiting from the service. And contract security means it's hired help. It also includes bodyguards, protective escorts, increasing demand with spreading of kidnapping schemes. Basically, all that this means is more people are becoming these bodyguards or protective escorts because there's so much kidnapping going on. And security has a greater responsibility since September 11th, 2001. And this is the largest job growth area in all of public safety. In fact, it grows 2 times to the number of the police. Why does it grow? There's several different factors. Number 1, declining revenue for public policing. Companies can control and hide crimes by employees. There's better control and attention to the problem, particularly within a business. There's fewer constitutional limitations on the actions of private security officers, and it quite often involves better technology. So, what is their role in the fight against terrorism? Well, they're often the first line of defense. They guard government buildings, utilities, schools, courts, corporate headquarters, office complexes, laboratories, and transportation facilities. Okay. So now, same thing, you're going to pause and you're going to think about if you had to choose a career from this unit, which one would it be? We've talked about so many and we're still not done, but I'm kind of interested to see where your minds are at right now. So just kind of ponder, think about it, and who knows, be ready. I may start talking to you about it tomorrow when we resume class together, and I won't be through a computer, or I'll be through a computer still, but it won't be a recording. And that's where we'll stop today. If you have any questions, please, please, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Remember, you should be taking notes. So there should be some form of notes regarding courts and private security in your collected notes document that will be turned in at the end of the unit. Remember, the deadline for recovery is tomorrow. And also, if you're missing any work, you need to make sure that you reach out to me so we can get that taken care of. Other than that, I will see you all tomorrow. Talk to you later.